Wildfire is the quality of a performance. And we all, and to me, we all have talent, but quality comes from hours and hours of beating on your craft. And when you share that quality, you call it a craft. That's some quality there. And when you create, and after hours of beating on your craft, you create that quality. When you share that quality with others, you create a community. I swear I'm trying to be professional. Our next performer is Drexler, who many of you know just as Drex. Now you may know him just from his consistent, countless YouTube videos that he's put out, sharing everything he knows with the community. Some of you may or may not know is that 6 years ago when he first picked up Koi, he commemorated the event with none other than a video. But what you may not know is that he choreographed that video in just 48 hours. And tonight, he's going to share that performance with us from top to bottom. It is my sheer honor to welcome Drexler.